Hi, this is Catherine from In the Pink Designs. Today's project is this fold-over box that I made with like a kind of a Thanksgiving kind of feel. It opens like this and it will fit a Reese's peanut butter cup, or I think we could fit 3 Ghirardellis. Alrighty. I embossed, I don't know if you can see here, I embossed all around the box some pretty leaves from the Borders Abound stamp set. That is my upline's million seller stamp set. So she made this for she got to make it because she sold $1 million in product. But it's lovely. It has snowflake border, leaves border, just a pretty kind of trellis border, and some hibiscus it looks like. And there's thank you, best wishes, hello, love, and for you. So it's very pretty. And for the tag, the actual tags, I used the Snow Wonder dies. Check. No, North Pole Wonder dies, just for the tags. And the greeting is from Gather Together stamp set, which is may this season bring you smiles and love that will last all year. Okay, and this paper here is from the Gilded Autumn Specialty paper. Okay, so we have to start with a piece of very vanilla that is 7.5 by 4 1/4. Okay, I'll get my Simply Score. And we're going to score on the 7.5 inch side at 1, 3 1/4, 4 1/4, and 6.5. Okay, and then we're going to turn it to the 4 1/4 inch side and score at 1 and 3 1/4. Okay. Alrighty. Let's burnish and fold. My daughter bought me to get my nails done it was my birthday present from April when we finally got to go. But they're already a mess and this one's totally missing. I just got the regular polish. So I think I have some gel polish at home that'll probably take this off because they manicured them very nicely. So thank you, Cassie. Okay, so we have it folded and burnished, and now we're just going to cut all the squares. So we're going to cut straight on the rectangles and just take a little tiny wedge out of the squares. And there's one here, 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 and here, so 6 times. Stop. Okay, now we're going to do some embossing. Okay, and we'll make this, we're going to do it here, 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 and here. So all these tabs are going to go inside, so it doesn't really matter if the tabs get it, but I don't want this piece to get it because this is a pretty long border stamp. All right, so we need a Versamark ink pad. and a gold embossing powder. All right, and I guess I need a new Versamark. I'll get that the next order. Okay, so the sides, this is up, so for the sides, I want them all facing up. So I'm just going to go like this and sprinkle. And if you see, I got some of the Versamark above from the edge of the stamp. So I got this little, I don't even know where I got this and what it's from. I believe I got it at Michael's. It's just a little detail brush. And I'm just gonna brush away the stuff that I don't want. Okay, and now I'm gonna have to do this way, and this way also. So I'm gonna get my heat gun for this one. Okay, so that's the first one. See how pretty? All right. And now I'm going to do the others. So I think I will try and speed you up through this so you don't have to watch. I embossed it all, and now we're going to put the bottom together first, but we can put tear and tape on all of the squares. Alrighty. All right. Okay. So let's get this together here. And we're just going to fold in the tab, and we're going to make this line here straight with this line on the side. Okay, and then on the other side of the bottom, do the same. All right, so that's our bottom. And now we'll do the top part. Okay. And there's our box. Okay, now I put my peanut butter cup in there. We want to take a little finger hole here, which we could have done beforehand. Let's see. Just take any small circle punch you have. Try to center it and just pop, just so that it's easier to open and you don't have to ruin your box to get it open. Let me see if we could fit 2 in here. Yeah, you could fit 2 Reese's peanut butter cups if you want to, or whatever other snack you want. Put 1 in. Okay, now you need, I'm off the side, I'm sorry. Okay, you need a piece of early espresso that is 2 1/8 by 2 1/8 and a piece of the Gilded Autumn Specialty DSP that is 1 7/8 by 1 7/8. And we need our snail seal. I'm going to put that right on the top so that the border is kind of even. And this one. And this is the front, so we'll put it kind of this way. Alrighty. Now for the little tag, I cut this little circle out of gold foil paper and early espresso, and the dies, like I said before, are from the North Pole Wonder dies. Okay, and I'm going to do a little bit more embossing so we can see the sentiment on there. And the sentiment is from Gathered Together stamp set. A lot of embossing this time. Alright, so I'm just going to put that on there. Sprinkle it. Tweezers. I just kind of flick the back. Oh, that wasn't a good thing. I just flick the back to get any of the extra loose stuff, embossing powder, to come off. And then I'm going to get my heat gun again. Okay, whoops, there we go. That is our sentiment. Okay, now I needed just a little bit of liquid glue on the back of my sentiment piece. And I'm just going to layer this right on top so that a little bit of the gold shows through on the bottom and a little bit on the sides too. All right. And I just need a little hole punch. This one will do. And I'm just going to reinforce that circle because part of it you can't see. There we go. All right, and then I'm going to take a little bit of the gold from the Wonder of the Season ribbon combo pack, and I'm going to feed it through the hole. And then pull the rest through the same hole. And then I'm just going to make a little bow. Now you could wrap some ribbon around this box if you want, but I liked how it looked on the top the best. Okay, we could probably do both. Let's see. Get my scissors. Okay. Let's see. We can take some. It just doesn't tie the box very well because it's very stiff. Like it doesn't tie in a bow when you wrap it around. So what I'll probably do is I'll just wrap it around twice so that we can keep the sides in. Right. And then we'll just tie a knot here. There we go. And we'll just spread these out just a little bit and pinch it in the middle. Okay. And then I'm just going to cut these short. And they can just slide this off if they want. And then we're going to put a little bit of, I think, 2 dimensionals on the back. And that will hide the tie. Okay? I want this to be lower. It looks like it's a little pinched, so I'm going to get it underneath the dimensionals. And push it down. There we go. Okay, and there's our box. And if I didn't tell you, this is 2 1/4 by 2 1/4 square by 1 inch high. Thank you for joining me today. I appreciate the time you spend watching my videos. And if you would like any of the products that I use today, you can get Stampin' Up from me at the address at the top of the screen. And there will be a link below to my blog that has all the measurements and details. I have to put another pop dot under there, I think, dimensional. Thank you so much. I will see you next time. Please subscribe. Bye.